So, wedding. Weddings are very, very happy moments to enjoy. Okay? Here, last episode, we started celebrating Sita and Sri Rama's wedding. We saw that Sri Rama was little hesitant to put the garland in the neck of Sita Devi. And why was it? He wanted the blessing of his parents, his elders. So, Janaka Maharaja and Vishwamitra Maharshi sent a messenger to Ayodhya Rajadhani inviting them. So, here comes Dasharatha Maharaja and his queens, Vasishtha Muni, then Bharata, Shatrughna, and so many elders and relatives to Mithilapuri to be a part of the wedding of Sri Ramachandra. Okay, Janaka Maharaja very happily, very joyfully, because his daughter's marriage, no, he welcomed the party from groom's side, welcomed them, made them very comfortable, and they started talking. So, other than Sita Devi, Janaka Maharaja had three more daughters. Their name was Urmila Devi, Mandavi, and Shrutakirti, other than Sita Devi. Okay, so he said, "Hey Ayodhyapate, hey Dasharatha Maharaja, you have 4 sons, I have 4 daughters too. Why can't we get them married all together?" Yes, and Dasharatha Maharaja also got so happy. He discussed, of course, with Vasishtha Muni, his Kula Guru. Happily, they agreed for the marriage of their 4 sons with the 4 daughters of Janaka Maharaja. Arrangements started. Huge wedding, no? It's not one single wedding. Wedding of 4 people. Then Sri Rama wedded Sita Devi, Lakshmana wedded Urmila Devi, Bharata wedded Mandavi, and Shatrughna wedded Shrutakirti. Very happy. We are also enjoying this little big giant parrot is also enjoying. My kids are also enjoying the wedding of Sri Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna. Wedding is over. It's time to go back to Ayodhya Rajdhani. Giving farewell to a daughter is very, very difficult for a parent, right? Here, Sita Devi didn't have a mother. Why? Sita Devi came from Mother Earth, Bhumi Devi, while Janaka Maharaja was plowing the field to do a yajna, a yaga. So, she came from the Mother Earth. So, there was the duty of explaining about the do's and don'ts in a in-laws house was on Janaka Maharaja. He was advising Sita Devi and his other daughters how to behave in the in-laws family. Here, through this story, Janaka Maharaja is showing you that when a daughter is wedded to another family, it is the moral responsibility of the parents to advise her how to treat the other family as your own family. Right? All parents need to make a note of this. This is the Arsha Sandesham we are getting through a story which is written 7,000 years ago. Right? Then he gave all so many things to Sita Devi and his other daughters, like that time it was gold, then the horses, elephants, soldiers to accompany, like that. So many things he gave to his daughters. Now you will be thinking, is that dowry? No, it is not dowry. It was Stridhanam. What is Stridhanam? The lady herself is dhanam, wealth. That is Stridhanam, not the dowry which nowadays the groom's parents ask from the bride's family. No. This is entirely between the parents and the girl's family, that what they would like to give to their daughter when she goes to another family to secure her financial status. It's not been demanded. It's not been asked for. So, Stridhanam should be something which you have to get from the daughter. The girl has to get from her family willingly. Not, it should not be a burden on the parents. Again, one more message you are getting from Ramayana is Stri, lady herself is the dhanam, and whatever financial support you are getting from the lady's family is for her security. It should not be asked for, it should not be demanded for. Never. Okay, so the time to depart from your parents' home, 4 daughters going to another house. It is a very, very emotional moment for Janaka Maharaja, but this is the truth of nature, the fact of nature that this has to happen. So happily he did farewell to his 4 daughters along with Bharata, along with Sri Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna. And they are going to Ayodhyapuri, to the palace, to the kingdom of Dasharatha Maharaja. So what happens on the way we will discuss in our next episode.